situation and the cohesiveness of our players, seeing that we haven't even gotten a chance to camp. But a couple weeks there.
Yeah. Good night. Question: what happened to Ravel Morrison? I don't hear his name mentioned. What the hell is going on? That man is always willing to come and play for the
He's
Reggae
always
Boys.
willing to
Bro,
come and play for the Reggae
after the
Boys.
last Trinidad and Tobago games, I said that it's probably time to move on from Ravel Morrison.
Because he's not playing.
He's not playing at his club, and when he signed, one, he didn't look great against Trinidad. You know, he should have been the best player on the pitch.
Mm-hmm.
You know, what to stop Ravel Morrison from different goal and assist against Trinidad in the national stadium? I'm gonna say what to stop it, and he didn't look special. You know, a person that's not a football fan watching, just an average man watching this game would not know that Ravel Morrison is miles above any other players on the pitch against Trinidad and Tobago. They would not know.
To be miles
He's
above.
supposed to be. You know, so
Jamal Wade looked like he was miles above.
you could tell that Jamal. You see me? You could tell that Whisper was going to play. You could tell. You know, he probably pointed and said, who's that kid? Who's the goalkeeper? You know what? Ravel Morrison did look special and he should have. I don't have a problem with Ravel Morrison being left out of the squad. I honestly don't. He's not playing any football. And the last time I saw him, he was great. He's aging. If you have to play some football, bro, and if you get the chance, if you're not playing a football, and you get the chance to play against Trinidad and Tobago in the national stadium and catch you now.
That's a bookie spot.
Don't you have to play, put on a shows up in performance? No, it's not like he wasn't getting on the ball. It's not like he just wasn't good. He just wasn't special. He wasn't better than anybody on the day.
Yeah.
You know, he was just another player posting on the pitch. Really, that's one of the games that we threw. Isn't it? So I don't have a problem with that. I feel like it's time to give Daniel Johnson a bigger shot. Daniel Johnson is playing week in, week out. He's the captain of a very good championship team, and he's a number 10. Give Daniel Johnson the spot if Mario Hutchinson wanted. Give him a shot at it. Liam Bailey, I also believe, can play a roaming role up there. Give him a chance at that. Kai in Paris, we see that he's competent. Bobby Lee, give him a chance at that. Yeah, I no longer think that Ravel Morrison should be, you know, a showing. If him now playing football, bro, yeah, fine. He gave us good moments. He's gonna give us a really good free kick in the national team. But that's what me think, Everett Brian. Why you think Ravel Morrison playing? Tell me that. Why you think Ravel Morrison playing? Is he?